Dear students, in the last class, means yesterday, we have tried to solve this. We are trying to solve this, but due to the problem in the net connection, this question break down there. प्रॉब्लम की वजह से इसको यहीं रोकना पड़ा, राइट? आज हम इसके आगे बढ़ते हैं नेट प्रॉब्लम और सिस्टम प्रॉब्लम की वजह से. So then I have completed it from here as you seen in the last video. Then now simplify this. Transfer A, that is 9A plus 3B minus 7A minus 7B equal to 6. 9A, 7A transferred here minus 7A, 7B transferred here minus 7B equal to 6. Now simplify this. 9A minus 7A means 2A minus 3 plus 3B minus 7B equal to minus 4B equal to 6. Right? Now you can simplify this also. As we know that we can multiply, divide by any number in any equation throughout each term, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड. किसी भी नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, बट हमको ईच एंड एवरी टर्म में करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हेन वी डिवाइड इट बाय 2, यू विल गेट 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6. दिस इज a minus 2b equal to 3. We can say this is equation number 4. This gives you a minus 2b equal to 3, right? Now put the value of a equal to 5 in equation 3rd. Here I am doing, here it is. Put a equal to 5b in equation 4. In equation, what is 4? A, what in equation 4? It is a minus 2b equal to 3. To put in the place of a 5b, you will get 5b minus 2b equal to 3. This will give you 3b minus 3b equal to 3. Now b equal to, by cross multiplication you can write here 3 upon 3, that is 1. So b equal to 1. In this way you find that b equal to 1, right? Now to find out the value of a, put b equal to 1 in, we can say, equation 3rd, that is a equal to 5b. What was the equation 3rd? A equal to 5b. The value of b should be put in the equation number 3rd, that is a equal to 5b. So we will get a equal to 5b means a equal to 5 into 1, it is 5, right? In this way we find the value of a equal to b equal to 1 and a equal to 5. So as the answer we can write that this question was in equation, we can write that. How you can write, put it answer for a equal to 5 and b equal to 1, pair of linear equation, has infinite number of solution, have infinite number of solution, right? When a equal to 5, b equal to 1, pair of linear equation have infinite number of solution. Now I try one more question. And you will see here one more thing. For what value of k, Peyrand equation has infinitely many solutions, and equation is kx plus 3y minus k minus 3, that is 0. Kx plus 3y minus k minus 3 equal to 0. 12x plus ky minus 3 equal to 0. No, it is minus k. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Right? 12x plus ky minus k equal to 0. Now we will try to find out this k, and given condition is infinitely many solutions. Given condition is infinitely many solutions. So what is the solution? Over here, as we know that the Peyrand equation contains infinitely many solutions. So we will use for infinitely many solutions. What is infinitely many solution? The condition for the infinitely many solution is this. This is the condition for infinitely many solution, that is a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. So it is the relation a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Right? Infinitely many solution के लिए क्या condition use करना है आपको? a1 upon b2 c1 upon c2. Now put the values. a1 upon a2 means k upon 12 equal to b1 upon b2 means 3 upon k. c1 upon c2 means minus k minus 3 upon minus k. In this question, one more thing you have to find out, that the constant term which has no variable is in the left side. We can write it in either in the left side or right side, but same way in the both equation. दोनों equation में क्या रहेगा? Same रहेगा. चाहे दोनों को left रखिए, चाहे दोनों को right रखिए. Second thing, when we use any value, always use with their sign. It contains plus sign, but in this case it is minus sign. Right? Always use with their sign. You will get no problem. You will get easy. Now take twos of this. Now k upon 12 equal to 3 upon k. By cross multiplication you can find here k square is equal to 36. K square is equal to 36. Now with this we find that k equal to plus minus root 36. As you know that whenever you take square root, you always put here plus minus. In the lower class, in class 8, we need not to use plus minus. क्लास 8 में क्या करते हैं हम लोग? प्लस माइनस दोनों नहीं यूज करते थे. क्यों नहीं यूज करते थे? लोअर क्लास के स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से वहाँ पे कोई हाइपोथेटिकल चीज नहीं, कोई थ्योरी नहीं थी. यहाँ पे एक थ्योरी है. थ्योरी क्या है कि इट में बी प्लस, इट में बी माइनस. वी कैन से k इक्वल टू plus and minus 6. It may be plus 6 or minus 6, because we know that minus 6 square is also 36 and plus 6 square is also 36. Both square gives 36. So square root of the 36 may be plus 6, may be minus 6. Both are possible here. राइट. लोअर क्लासेस में ऐसा नहीं करते, लेकिन अपर क्लास में जब भी हम स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे तो प्लस माइनस दोनों यूज करेंगे. बट जिस क्वेश्चन में माइनस यूजफुल नहीं होगा, राइट, माइनस सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा, उसको हम कैंसिल कर देंगे. तो हियर आर बोथ वैल्यू प्लस एंड माइनस आर टेकन. नाउ सेकेंड कंडीशन इज नाउ अगेन take this and this, or you can take this and this. Anyone you can take, right? So use this and this. 3 upon k equal to k minus 3 upon k. This can be written as 3k equal to k into k minus 3, right? 3k into k minus 3. Now multiply this, open this bracket, you can say multiply this bracket. 3k equal to k square minus 3k. This can be 3k can be transferred here, or this 3 can be transferred here. So this can be transferred here. This is k square minus 3k minus 3k. This will be 0. ये k के 3 को हमने क्या किया, इसको हमने राइट साइड में ट्रांसफर कर दिया, राइट. एंड यहाँ पे क्या हो गया 0. दिस 0 कैन बी रिटन एनीवेयर. k स्क्वायर माइनस 6k इक्वल टू 0, राइट. 0 को हम चाहे लेफ्ट में लिखें चाहे राइट में लिखें, कहीं भी लिख सकते हैं. नाउ यू शुड टेक हियर कॉमन एज k एज ए कॉमन. If k is a common, this will be k minus 6 equal to 0. This may be either k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. And in this way k equal to 6. Right? This can be also simplified by another way, by rectifying. This is the good way. Now take here common k, and this will leave k minus 6, and it has two factors, either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0, so k equal to 6. In this question we have two type of condition. That is, in this relation we find that k equal to plus or minus 6, but in this relation k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. Now what we have to decide about the k. What is k? K is what? Plus 6 or minus 6. So in this case we can put the answer like this. What was the common in both result? In this result and in this result. What is the common between both results? So as see here, k equal to 0, k equal to 6 here, and k equal to plus 6 also here. We can write it also like this. K equal to plus 6 or, and we can say k equal to minus 6. प्लस 6 एंड माइनस 6 दोनों है. यहाँ पे प्लस 6 है. कौन सी कंडीशन ऐसी है जो दोनों सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है? कौन सी वैसी k की वैल्यू ऐसी है जो इसमें भी ट्रू है, इसमें भी ट्रू है? सो वी फाइंड दैट k इक्वल टू प्लस 6 इज ट्रू फॉर बोथ. सो आंसर इज, आवर आंसर इज k इक्वल टू 6, right? Finally answer we will take k equal to plus 6 because it follow the both condition, right? So for k equal to plus 6, we can say for k equal to plus 6, pair of linear equation have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now try these two questions as a homework. Then we will go further. Question number 2. What was value of k? For what value of k pair of linear equation has no solution, that is 3x plus y equal to 1 and 3k minus 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y equal to 2k plus 1. Second is, this is homework, question number 1, question number 2. Second is, for what value, for which value of the pair of linear equation have unique solution. Unique solution. Four x plus py plus 8 equal to 0. 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. See here, I like to give you some hint here. In the first question, for no solution, what is the condition for no solution? A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, not equal to C1 upon C2, right? When you use A1 upon A2, put the, first of all you should put the value and then try to simplify A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 is the one part. What is, when you put the A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon not equal to C1 upon C2 in the first case, then you will find two type of condition there. One is plus, one is one is equal, another is not equal. So first of all try the equal, A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon 2. Then again try this, B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. It has two conditions, so we will simplify both. That is one and that is equal and that is not equal. Then you will find the common value between them. What was the common between them, right? Like two type answer you can find. Try this, and in the second case you will find that it is first case unique solution, right? So now I think you do it and send me your at WhatsApp your solution, and we will give you feedback, right? Thank you.